a minute, ladies and gentlemen. Excellent. For the first day, the inner lights up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in the next part, in the second part, we will show you the machining of our equipment. The city part is in here. In here, you can see our engineer show you how to use and how to processing the bar for you. Our engineer is making the program. Yeah, sounds good. Now, through the lens, you can see the operation table of this machine. The operation table is in right, the right of the machine. You can see that through the lens. Yeah, the engineer is doing some operation, do some preparation for the next processing of the bar of the plant. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the machine and the spindle and the bar and the cutter head through the lens. All right.
这个不是打这个键吗？
一共要就加工的过程加上加工过程要1个小时。
是，那你这个键好一遍，让它再好几遍。
都可以，反正你看我刚才想到加工的过程30到1个小时，因为我是那个时候还有那个25件材料，对吧？
对，
应该是一个一个。There you can see all the statistics on the screen. On the screen. And by the way, you can see Fanak's logo. Fanak's logo is on the screen. On the top of the screen, Fanak. This is one of the biggest advantages of our machine. We use the Fanak system. And you all know the CNC machines. Every CNC machine has its own Fanak graphics Fanak. It's a very advanced CNC control system in this industry. And almost every piece of our machines, every machine of our factory, we use the Fanak system. Yeah, we equipped the Fanak system with every machine.
是这空跑吗？
对，
没加工到。
这回倒是开始卖了。我的天啊，刚刚就说了。 the tool and the spindle is rotating. The spindle is rotating and the tool will start to turning, turning the bar. And start to turning the bar. You can see the chip. You can see the chip falling down. And this chip is falling down. And ladies and gentlemen, the spindle and the bar is at the right of your screen, at the left of your screen. And oh, wait a minute, and our engineer needs to put some water on it. Yes, now our engineer put some water on the bar.
增加光解度，这些的那个润滑效果。
The engineer tell me we add some water uh, in order to make the lubrication, do some lubrication.
这是一个室外的一个动作。
Well, now is the action of the C axis and the Y
背
axis.
力放慢一点，就是这个运动的背力，然后背力就是走的速度降低一点，让电子看清楚。
Now the engineer tell me he's already do some operations to relax the speed of our transmission system is going lower. Then so you can see this through the lens more vividly. It's already this is the action of x axis and the y axis. They rotate together. They rotate in the same time. The united action. Now the transmission system, the speed is very low.
现在速度加快了。
That is to make in order to show you more vividly. Now we open the door so that you can see it more vividly. This is the bar and the spindle on the screen. You can see that. Now the machine is keep turning. So there's a question, ladies and gentlemen. I will ask you, don't you think this bar, this workpiece is like artwork, or like, I think it's really beautiful. It's pretty. It's pretty like artwork. And I would call it as a romance of engineer. It's a romance. And the engineer will understand, will know that. All right. The the basics, the basic stuff of the machine is ready, and now we will close the door. Okay, now we will change another place. The engineers need to do some preparation for the next bar to do other machining for us. Yeah, this is what we already finished right now. It's already finished. You can see that. Uh, okay, give me the last. Let's let the audience see clearly about the spindle and the cutter. 再放一些镜头，让你观众看得更清楚一点。Now this is the workpiece almost done. You can see it through the screen. Alright, this is the workpiece almost done. And here is the spindle. Here is the spindle. You can see that. This is the spindle. And by the way, I have to tell you that our spindle, all of our spindle, is provided by Taiwan Outgroup. Yes, and adopts the German design. All of our spindle is provided by Taiwan Outgroup and adopts the German design. We will achieve a better performance than other similar products in the market. And also, I will introduce you that our spindle, the transmission system is driven by this one, Fanuc. The Fanuc 11 and 15 kilowatts.